Alright, I'm just gonna kind of review on how to use this app in case you forget. There's a lot of functions on here. I'm gonna try and go over as many as I can on this short little video, but I'll go ahead and start with the basics. If you want to change your background at all, or there's some other functions that you can do, you can click on that three little layers section. Right now I am under the maps section. So I'm under the Maps tab, and this is kind of your background. I choose a Google satellite. You can also click on some other sections here and kind of just play around with it. Yeah, to possibly get your weather and things like that. But for the most part, here's just a bunch of different maps you can choose. Another really useful thing is if you just want to add a waypoint, you click here, and then you can start moving around wherever you want. As you can see, it's not where I'm at. If you want the waypoint where you're at, you would need to click on this little target on the left, and it'll center it so it's exactly where you are. And then you can hit this waypoint button. As you can see, it's on the exact location I am. If you accidentally move it and you want to be right the same location, you can either move it back like this. You can move it around with your finger on the screen, or you can hit back and then hit that. Yeah, you can hit this button again. It'll center it, and then you can hit your waypoint. All right. Now, maybe I'm just probably gonna put a waypoint in the middle of the field, right? Let's just say right here. I'll hit this green button in the bottom. Then it'll ask me for a name, and I'll go ahead and just put video waypoint. Alright, now from here, if you want to go back to where you're at, you just click on this target a couple times, and a couple things you can do here is you can just click a go to, and it'll take you to, or it'll at least tell you how far it is. Yeah, just see how far as a crow flies to a particular waypoint. You can also start a route, so if you want to choose multiple waypoints, you can. But yeah, you can decide if you end up liking that function or not. I haven't found a use for it, but thought I'd at least tell you it's on here. A couple other things. If you want to start looking at your tracks I have, just go to these three little lines here. You can hit tracks, and then you just need to select the ones that you want to look at. So I put yours in folders, or I would suggest putting them in folders. For example, if I want to look at the Fisherman's Trail and the Bob White Trail together, I can click those two, and then I can hit show on map, and it'll show them. It'll color coordinate them like that. You can zoom in, move it, rotate it, however you want. If you want it to be pointing north, you just hit this icon at the bottom, this compass, and it'll direct it for you. I'll show you what way is north and south. If you want to see waypoints on the trail, and I don't think I have any waypoints downloaded on these trails, so I will go to I'll go to the horse trails. I'll choose, I think those are it. North Ridge Trail, yep, okay. And I'll hit show on map. So now I have these three trails. Now if I go to the waypoints, if I want to see these waypoints on here, I'll just click this folder. If you just want a particular waypoint, you can click that little tab on the left, and then you can select the one you want. But I want to show all of them, so I'll just click that whole folder and put show on map, and now you can see there's all these waypoints. If you click on one, it'll tell you which one it is and where it's at. So if you would want, so for example, if someone is heard at the Ridge Trail at marker 6, you can hit the go to and it'll take you there. Otherwise, you know exactly where they're at. If you want to change the names of these, all you have to do is you just go to your waypoints. You would hit your folder. So for example, if you want to change the name of the Western Pond Trail, you would click on that, and then you hit edit, edit name, and then you can just do that. I'm not going to change it, but yeah, other than that, that's about it for the waypoints. If you want to, I guess if you want to share one with someone, so if you hit a waypoint right now, it's only on your phone. If you want to share that waypoint with someone, or if you want to, for example, put it on the app, you have to email it to that person, and then they can use that to either put it on the app or just to look it on their phone. So I'll show you how to do that really quick. If you just click the waypoint you want or the multiple waypoints you want, you hit that, 3 little dots on the top, you hit share, and you want to share it as a GPX file. Hit share, and it'll ask you how you want to share it. You'll want to click your email, and I will email it to myself, but you just email it to the person you want, and you hit send. Now from here, I should be getting an email in a second. If it doesn't matter if it's on the computer or if it's on a phone, you'll need to download the file, and then after you download it, they can upload it onto either the app or whatever. So I should be getting an email here any second. Alright, maybe I'll just go here. Email. Nothing. Oh. Alright, here we go. So here's a video waypoint, and I'll hit download. So now you can see this file downloaded. So this would be on somebody else's phone or on their computer. What they would do then, if it's, for example, on their phone, they don't have to have this app to view it. They can use their GPX viewer app. You click on that, which is a free app, and then they need to slide from the left and just hit open file, and then they just need to find that file. So my phone is kind of a pain to find the files, but yeah, here it is. There. So where did I put them? There you go. Here it is, downloads. Okay, yeah, video waypoint right here. Click on that, and I hit open. Most phones are easier to find the file than mine is, but computers are a lot easier to find it. But once you find it, you just hit open, and then it'll show you right where it's at. All right, and that's about it for the waypoints. You can do the same thing for you can also share a track like that as well, and they can do the same exact thing if they want to put it on the app. It's just a different section, but other than that, that's about all there is to it for how to use this. So if you ever forget, you can hopefully look at this video and remember. Otherwise, just let me know. One thing to know is you can't edit these trails once you've walked them. So I can't just erase part of this green trail, this ridge trail here. You just have to redo it. There is also an edit for the waypoints. You can also edit the coordinates. If I click on here, if I click edit, you can edit the coordinates, but I found that to be kind of difficult. So it's almost just easier just to get a new waypoint and put it at the same spot, and then just give it the name you want. I found that to be the easiest, and then just delete the other one. But other than that, like I said, just let me know if you have any questions. I hope this helped. Thank you.